Friends, you may be wondering what exactly is Agile. You might have heard this word called Agile, Agile software development, Agile software engineering, Agile project management. So, this is like a buzzword in the industry currently. Now, you may be wondering exactly what it means to be Agile. Let's uncover this. Agile is a way of working for the teams to collaborate and to get to the work done. And to deliver the projects, products, and services based on the mindset, values, principles, practices, and tools that drive the business value and mitigate the risk. It is such a big definition that what I put in across to you. But however, in short, you need to remember that, it's just a way of working. It's the way of working, it's a culture wherein every team member who is following those agile principles and values will be collaborating towards getting the work done and making sure the ultimate goal is to deliver the products and the services and projects and based on the key factors like mindset, values, principles, the defined practices and tools. The ultimate goal is to deliver the business value to the customers and also to mitigate the risk by finding the issues early on. Uh, Tools. A lot of time it has been seen that in the industry, people feel that by working on Jira or by working on the other agile platforms like Rally, TFS, many organizations or teams feel that they are agile. No, they are not agile. Those are just the tools. Those are just the tools to help you to track, monitor your progress out there. You need to understand, you need to know how to use those tools. But apart from that, you need to understand what are the underlying processes for those tools, how those tools will behave, what kind of practice you need to follow. Is it an iterative development? Is it the flow development? All these practices need to be understood. You need to understand those 12 principles of Agile, which are defined by the Agile Manifesto as to how these principles will make a particular process framework agile. Now, you have four values, which is also called as Agile Manifesto. Now, all these practices, tools, principles, and values will definitely help you to be agile. However, that will be a part of doing agile, but not being agile. If you want to be agile completely, then you the agile mindset, the growth mindset, together with tools, practices, principles, values, and those agile mindset, you will be into a flight of agile transformation. The most important part here is that you can reap the benefits of being agile only when you have all these things in place. The mindset, the four values, the underlying principles of those values, and the practices defined, and the tools to monitor. More visible or less powerful, because those are some kind of things which help you to track and monitor, but the most important is the less visible, like the engine mindset. Agile mindset is nothing but it's an engine for you to fuel up your rocket. Now, Agile advocates few things which are important. You need to understand that. The first is being the adaptive planning. Adaptive planning is nothing but you do some kind of a planning there. But as you introspect, as you go further, as you evolve, you will realize that you need to make a change. You need to make a detour, because it's like this. When you use a Google map, when you start from your house, it shows you a plan, it shows you a map, it shows you a route. But unfortunately, if there is something struck out there, Google map tries to to detour, take a detour to help you to navigate in a way where you reach your destination. So that kind of an adaptive planning is what Agile advocates. Agile also advocates evolutionary development. Evolutionary development means that you evolve as you go. You don't do the development all at once. You evolve. You take some feedback from the stakeholders, users of your product or service, and as you go, you develop it. Then there is more important thing is today is rapid and early delivery of value. Today, people want things to be done in a faster way. Industry is so dynamic that the faster to the market is better. Now, in order to do that, what Agile says is you need to be rapid in development and you should be delivering some value early on. You can't make your customer to wait for 6 months or 8 months to deliver some value. Today's customer demands the value every week. You need to be such kind of a dynamic team. Now, last but not the least, you need to continuously improve. You need to improve your process, the way you communicate, the way you work, and all those things because to go for a better team. Thank you for watching this What is Agile topic. Please subscribe to our channel so that we can make some more videos about agility and other stuffs which will definitely help you to gain some knowledge.